Air India crash probe that still continues. There's a plea that's been filed to fast-track the Air India crash probe. Now, the Supreme Court has issued a notice to the centre, the flight watchdog as well. Plea seeks a transparent, quick crash probe. SC notice to the Civil Aviation Ministry and DGCA board. This is the Ahmedabad flight crash that we are speaking of, viewers. The Air India flight that had in fact come down tragically, and it had caused devastation, unimaginable devastation in the very area, and probe still continues. A preliminary report has already been released, but now there is an SC order that has asked for this very probe to be fast-tracked. Anisha Mathur joining me on the broadcast with more details. Anisha, what are we picking up on this front as to the SC asking for this very probe to now be fast-tracked?
Well, let me clarify. First of all, sir, the petition in the Supreme Court wants the probe to be fast-tracked. The petition also wants an independent probe, and therefore the Supreme Court has issued notice to the DGCA, to the central government, and the aircraft accidents at the board, investigation board, to respond to this petition. Now, what happened in the Supreme Court? Let's go through that. The petition is saying that the preliminary inquiry report was put out in public, and there are certain concerns being raised about what actually happened in that crash, because the preliminary report does not have details of what caused the crash. Secondly, what they've said is that there should be an independent inquiry. What the court has said today is that there should not be any misrepresentation or rumors to be created, that there must be a speedy inquiry, a speedy, fair and independent inquiry, a transparent inquiry. And especially because, unfortunately, sometimes when such tragedies happen, the benefit is taken by rival aircraft companies. So at the moment, what the court has said is that the centre and the DGCA must respond to this petition, which has said that the inquiry report has to come out. They have to respond on the question of whether a fair inquiry is taking place, because the petitioners say that the inquiry committee consists of 3 DGCA members, even though it is the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, which is actually under investigation as to whether proper maintenance of the aircraft was done or not, what exactly happened, was there an error by of maintenance, etc. So we'll find out once the responses are filed. That's you.
Thank you, Anisha, for putting it into context for us at this point. Viewers, this is all the update that we have on this very piece of information that we are picking up.